Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you know if someone blocked you on Snapchat, or you are suspecting that someone actually blocked you on Snapchat and you want to know if that's the case, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to know that. Just follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. Of course, from here we need to get something out of the way first. Open your Play Store or App Store and search for Snapchat, of course, to find it from here, and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly and to face no problems in this process. After that, you can quit the store and finally now open Snapchat. And from here, of course, make sure you are logged into your account, and then let's start by opening your chats and conversations by swiping to the left side of the screen. If you have had a conversation with this person that you are suspecting that they have blocked you, but you can no longer find that conversation in this category right here, that means they have probably removed you from their friends list or actually blocked you. To be able to determine, we'll start by going to your profile. So simply tap here in the top left corner on your Bitmoji. And here we are on your profile. Scroll down a little bit until you find My Friends. Go ahead and tap there to open your friends list on Snapchat. And from here, if you go ahead and scroll down or search in the top for that specific user, but you can no longer find them here, that means they have probably removed you from their friends list or even blocked you. To be able to tell for good if they have actually blocked you, we need to completely quit from here and go back to the main screen on Snapchat and tap on the search icon at the top. Search for the username, and if you cannot find them, that means they have probably blocked you. But if you borrow a friend's phone and you can find them in their phone but not in yours, that means they for sure blocked you. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the future videos.